Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video you will learn, can you use AI generated photos or art on Cara app? So can you post it? The answer is no. So they won't allow only your original task, original drawing, original painting and original works. So for example, if I'm just going to choose any photos like randomly. I'm just going to choose the photos, and if you try it on your own account, then they will not they will told you that it's not allow. Maybe they will ban if you upload. For example, I'm just going to choose randomly any picture for showing purposes. So wait a second. I'm just going to choose photos. So then if you click the post, so it takes a few moments. So like this moment you can add, but if you add the portfolio, then if you add the AI generated photos, then it's not allowed on the Cara post. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.